Dear students, here we can discuss about sedimentary rocks, description of sedimentary rocks with the help of properties and mineral composition. And also we can discuss about uses of these sedimentary rocks. Left side, the rock specimens are shown. These belongs to sedimentary rocks. The first one is conglomerate, breccia, shell limestone, sandstone, shale, and limestone. These are the left side one are belongs to sedimentary rocks. So we can see one by one. We can discuss. We can describe. First one is conglomerate. The structure you can see rounded compact pebbles are there. So structure is rounded compact pebbly. The color is light brown to red. Texture is inequigranular because of rudiceous texture. Rudiceous means the big size pebbles are embedded in the rock is called as the conglomerate. Equigranular, coarse grained. Mineral composition, essential minerals are quartz and the other quartz and cementing, siliceous, calcareous material are present in the conglomerate rock. Siliceous and calcareous and cementing material is very important for to binding these bigger grain size pebbles. Occurrence as thick bed rhodaceous sedimentary rock. Use construction material. Second is breccia. Structure is angular fragments. Color brown pink. Texture inequigranular, coarse grained. Mineral composition. Essential minerals are quartz, gravels, and cementing material is siliceous and calcareous. Occurrence as thick beds. Mechanically, this is formed. Use construction material. Next is shell limestone. Shell limestone. The fossils are present in this. That's why the shell limestone is called as shell limestone. This belongs to organic type of rock. You can see shell limestone. Structure compact fossiliferous means fossils are present here in the limestone. That's why fossiliferous. Fossiliferous. Some iron content, ferrous iron content is there. That's why fossiliferous is called as fossiliferous compacted. Color yellowish brown. Texture coarse grained compact. Mineral composition is organic shells. Occurrence seabeds, organic sedimentary rocks. Use cement manufacture. Cement industries will use this shell limestone. And next is sandstone. Structure is granular. Color is pink, red, and brown. Texture is equigranular. Sandstone. Structure is granular. Color pink, red, and brown. Texture equigranular and medium coarse. Mineral composition essential minerals are quartz. Accessory minerals are feldspar, mica, and garnet. Cementing material siliceous. Occurrence as thick or thin beds. Arenaceous sedimentary rock. Use constructed material. In as a construction material, we can use this sandstone. Next is shale structure, layered structure. Many layers are there in the shale. Color red, brown, and purple. Texture equigranular, fine grained. Mineral composition. Essential minerals are kaolin and montmorillonite. Accessory mineral is quartz and mica. Cementing material is argillaceous. Occurrence as thick or thin beds. Argillaceous sediment rock. Uses. Shale will not be used in construction as it is the soft rock. And the last one is the limestone. Structure is crystalline, color red, gray, blue, texture equigranular, fine grained, mineral composition. Essential minerals present in this is calcite. Accessory minerals present in this is quartz and mica. Occurrence as thick or thin beds, chemically formed sedimentary rock. Use for this limestone will be used for flooring and cement manufacturing. In cement manufacturing, limestone will be used as the raw material. Limestone is the main raw material for cement industry. And the laterite is the last sample I would like to show you. Left side you can see the second sample is laterite. Laterite. The structure of this laterite is earthy or porous. Color is brown and yellow. Texture inequigranular and coarse grained. Mineral composition. Essential minerals present in this is gravels and aluminous. Cementing material is clay and aluminum. Occurrence massive deposits chemically formed sedimentary rocks. Use as a brick. As a brick we are using this laterite. Laterite blocks will be used for construction of wall, usually in coastal line, in the Deccan basalt, in the Western Ghat area region. We can find the thick bed of laterite. Usually this will find on the over the ground. Top layer above the basalt we will find the laterite sample. In the with the sandstones, the big structure like the Bikaner Fort, it's a archaeological the structure. This Bikaner Fort is constructed by sandstone. Sandstone is used for Bikaner Fort. And also you can see Badami caves and all. Badami caves are also in Karnataka is famous, and these are constructed by the sandstones. Thank you guys.